Hi guys, it's Black History Month and I'll be celebrating my heritage and sharing with you some Southern African inspired recipes, and today we're starting with this peri peri grilled chicken. So for this recipe you're going to need pestle and mortar. If you don't have one available, then you can go ahead and use a blender. Now that we've added all the spices, we're going to go ahead and season with some salt. Season until your ancestors tell you to stop. Season from the heart. To bring some moisture into our marinade, we're going to go ahead and use about a tablespoon of avocado oil. Then we're going to go ahead and grind our ingredients into a paste. For some freshness, we're going to go ahead and add some parsley and grind that into our paste. Now we're going to go ahead and spatchcock the chicken using a pair of scissors. Start from the parson's nose all the way up through the backbone, cutting through the ribs. Using a sharp knife, go ahead and score your chicken. This is really going to help us get the flavors of our marinade right into the meat. Now it's time to marinate our chicken. Really get in there and rub in that paste. Don't be shy with the seasoning. It ain't peri peri chicken now if it ain't seasoned. We want to taste the seasoning. For optimum depth of flavor, allow your chicken to marinate in a refrigerator for 4 to 6 hours. Go ahead and roast your chicken at 180 degrees Celsius in your oven until the skin is nice and golden and crisp and the juices run clear. If you like this recipe, please comment and subscribe.